Everything is so natural. I don't even feel like I have false teeth. They feel like my real teeth. Hi, my name is Danny. I'm from Oklahoma. When I got here, the first day I went into surgery and had all my teeth removed. And then the next day I came in and they fitted me for my teeth, and then went back, enjoyed myself on the beach, and came back again and had my teeth installed. But it took 1 week and my teeth were done and I had my smile back. I had the snap-in dentures. For the first week, I was learning how to use my teeth. And after that, I can eat everything that I ate with my natural teeth. Everything is so natural, I don't even feel like I have false teeth. They feel like my real teeth. I love them. I love my teeth. I'm glad I made this decision to do this. I'm amazed. I'm amazed with my results. During the treatment, there was very little pain. I didn't feel much pain at all. It was minimal pain. A little bit soreness, but I didn't even use any of the pain medication that they prescribed to me. It's very painless. The staff is beautiful. Everybody is so kind, caring. They take care of you from the first step all the way to the last step. You're very well taken care of. I would absolutely recommend you.